What if I told you this entire video was created from a single sentence? Welcome to the world of InVideo AI, the tool that's silently revolutionizing content creation. In the next 10 minutes, you'll discover how to use this tool to earn millions of views without filming a single shot. Plus, stay until the end for the hidden technique most creators will never know. Hey there, I'm AV, and this is where AI becomes easy. All links and resources are awaiting you in the description. Let's go. 1. The AI revolution's in your hand. Okay, so what is InVideo AI exactly? Imagine this, an AI tool that takes your words and transforms them into a complete video. We're not talking about some basic slideshow. We're talking full script writing, perfect footage selection, natural sounding voiceovers, the whole package. Think about that for a second. How many hours have you spent scripting, filming, and editing? It's exhausting, right? But with InVideo AI, you just describe what you want, click a button, and a professional video appears in minutes. Here's the crazy part. You don't need any technical skills, none. Zero, zilch. The AI handles all the complicated stuff behind the scenes while you get to be the creative director making the fun decisions. Educational videos? Easy. Product reviews? No problem. Travel guides? Piece of cake. This thing can handle anything you throw at it. Let me prove it by recreating a super popular YouTube video that's already crushing it, right before your eyes. 2. Getting started. Your first 60 seconds. Before we dive into the magic, you need an InVideo AI account. There's a free sign-up link waiting for you in the description below. Click it and follow along with me. Once you're in, you'll land on this sleek, user-friendly interface. This right here. This is where all the mind-blowing magic happens. See this main area? That's your command center, where you'll drop your prompt and tell the AI, hey, build me this kind of video. Then you just hit that generate a video button and watch the magic unfold. I'm telling you, the layout is super intuitive. Never touched video editing software before? No problem. They designed this interface so anyone can create amazing videos. Take a sec to familiarize yourself with it. Your prompt goes here. Generation controls are right there. And once your video starts cooking, all your preview and editing options will pop up right where you need them. 3. Magic words. Crafting the perfect prompt. Now for the fun part, let's tell this AI what kind of video we want it to create. And listen closely because this is crucial. The more detailed your prompt, the more perfect your results will be. For this tutorial, I will create a video about the most beautiful national parks in America. Judging from the views, people are obsessed with this stuff. Let me walk you through crafting an absolutely killer prompt. We start with, please make a 10-minute video about. This immediately tells the AI exactly how long my creation should be. Next up, my topic, the most beautiful national parks in America. Simple, director, powerful. But here's where the real magic happens, the creative directions. I'm going to tell it to include information about the best time to visit each park, must-see attractions within each park, and amazing wildlife you might encounter. See how specific that is? That's your ticket to awesome results. To ensure accuracy, I asked ChatGPT for a list of the 10 most visited national parks in America, which I'll paste directly into my prompt. This gives InVideo AI specific facts to work with rather than relying solely on its own knowledge. Finally, and this is the chef's kiss, I'll specify my preferences. Use inspiring background music and use a cinematic video style. And boom, that's it. A detailed powerhouse prompt that gives InVideo AI everything it needs to create the exact video I want. Remember this golden rule, the more specific you get here, the less editing headaches later. So go all in on those details. 4. Target locked, audience secret revealed. After you've dropped that killer prompt and smashed that generate a video button, InVideo AI will analyze your request. This might take a hot minute depending on how complex your prompt is. Once that's done, you'll face a critical decision point, specifying your target audience and preferred style. This isn't just some minor detail, folks. This is make or break stuff that will transform how your final video feels. For audience, you've got options like travel enthusiasts, outdoor adventurers, or general public. Since our national parks video is targeting people who might actually visit these breathtaking places, I'm going with travel enthusiasts. Duh! And then, platform selection. YouTube, Facebook, they each have their own special sauce when it comes to optimal formats and styles. And InVideo AI will custom tailor your video accordingly. We're making YouTube content today, so that's my pick. These choices might seem small, but they're game changers. The AI uses these settings to dial in everything from pacing to visual style, making sure your video resonates with exactly who you want watching it. When you're satisfied with your choices, just hit that continue button and watch as InVideo AI begins crafting your masterpiece from scratch. 5. Behind the curtain, watch AI craft your masterpiece. And the show begins. InVideo AI is firing on all cylinders, creating your script, hunting down footage, and generating that smooth voiceover all at the same time. The whole process takes just a few minutes depending on how long and fancy your video is. You'll see this progress bar letting you know exactly what's happening. No more wondering, is this thing even working? Behind the scenes, this digital wizard is writing a structured script based on your specific instructions, selecting jaw-dropping footage of those stunning national parks, creating natural-sounding narration that doesn't sound like a robot, syncing everything up perfectly so it flows like butter, adding those professional transitions and effects that make it pop. It's quite fascinating when you think about it. Work that would normally take an entire team of professionals, days or even weeks is happening automatically in minutes. Are you kidding me? While you wait, start thinking about any tweaks you want to make. Remember, what InVideo AI creates is just your starting point. You have tons of chances to make it 100% yours. And ta-da! First draft complete. Let's check out what this digital genius has created before we start making it even better. 6. Transform your draft into gold. Customization secrets. Alright, we've got our first draft. It's pretty cool. We can turn this pretty cool video into something incredible. InVideo AI gives you 2 approaches to customization, making it perfect for anyone regardless of your editing skills. First approach, the command box, giving the AI new instructions to edit your video. This is your go-to if you're not comfortable with manual editing or just want to save precious time. For example, let's say I don't like the opening clip. I can type something like, change the opening clip to a sunrise over the Grand Canyon in the command box, hit generate, and poof, InVideo AI instantly swaps in a stunning sunrise shot that matches what I asked for. How easy was that? The AI found the exact scene I wanted and dropped it right in. You can use this for anything in your video, changing scenes, script, text overlays, whatever you imagine. The second approach is manual editing, for when you want that precise control. Just click the edit button and you're in business. This opens up a comprehensive breakdown of your entire video, scene by scene. You can flip through each scene and click on any clip you want to change. Once you've picked a clip, you've got some awesome options. Replace it with stunning stock footage from InVideo's massive library. Upload your own media if you've got something specific in mind. Fine-tune the duration to get that pacing just right. I will show you how simple this is. I'll select this clip, search for Yosemite Waterfall in the stock footage library. Pick this breathtaking shot, click replace, then apply changes, and guess what? The clip is updated instantly. Script editing is just as flexible. Either use that magic command box again with something like add more information about hiking trails in Yellowstone, or manually edit by clicking edit script. In the script editor, it works just like a word processor you already know how to use. Select text, delete what you don't like, type in your brilliant changes, click apply changes. Done and done. Another hack? Let ChatGPT help write parts of your script. Not happy with the Zion National Park section? Ask ChatGPT to rewrite it, copy-paste the new version into InVideo AI, and you're good to go. See how many different ways there are to get exactly what you want, and they're all designed to be super intuitive. even if you've never edited a single video before in your life. 7. From AI to viral, exporting your creation. We've created and polished our video, and now it's time for the moment of truth, exporting and downloading your work. The process couldn't be simpler. Just click the download button right below the video. Depending on which InVideo AI subscription you've got, you'll see different options for resolution and watermarking. With a free plan, you can still download videos in 1080p resolution, but they'll include stock watermarks and InVideo branding on your content. With a paid plan, you can download your videos without any watermarks, giving your content a completely professional look. After clicking export, InVideo AI processes your video, which takes just a few minutes depending on length and complexity. Once it's ready, just click download and your creation is saved directly to your device. The downloaded video is ready to upload directly to YouTube or any other platform of your choice. No additional processing required. It's delivered in standard MP4 format, compatible with all major platforms and video players. This seamless export process is the final step in what's truly a revolutionary content creation workflow. From concept to completed video, all accomplished in a fraction of the time traditional production would require. 8. The verdict. Is this your content game changer? In terms of pricing, InVideo AI starts at just $28 per month for the yearly plan, which is incredibly reasonable considering what you're getting. Think about the traditional costs of video production: script writing, hiring voice talent, purchasing stock footage, editing software, and the countless hours of work. When you consider all that, $28 per month is an absolute bargain. As for the technology itself, I'm genuinely impressed. The ability to describe a video and have it created for you, complete with script, voiceover, and visuals, is nothing short of revolutionary for content creators. The quality of the output is remarkable, especially after some minor customizations. While it may not replace professional video production for high-end commercial projects, for regular YouTube content, educational videos, travel guides, and similar content, it's more than capable of producing engaging, professional-looking results. What I particularly appreciate is how accessible InVideo AI makes video creation. You don't need technical expertise or expensive equipment, just your ideas and a few minutes of your time. For anyone looking to create regular video content without the traditional time investment and technical barriers, I wholeheartedly recommend giving InVideo AI a try. And to show you the incredible potential, here's a look at the complete video we created today using InVideo AI. Pretty impressive, right? You can click the link in the description to watch the full video and see exactly how this AI magic transforms my prompt into professional content. That's a wrap, creators. From zero to hero, your complete guide to creating professional videos with InVideo AI. No more endless editing, no more voice recording nightmares, just pure content magic at your fingertips. Want to try these amazing AI yourself? All links and resources are awaiting you in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.